Before Europeans settled the Americas, Native Americans lived all over North, Central, and South America. In the area that would become the United States, Native Americans lived in communities in the Northwest, the Central Plains, the Southeast, and the Northeast, along with other regions. Native Americans who lived in different places in the land had access to different resources, which influenced the way they dressed. While all Native American groups had access to birds and hide-bearing animals, natives living in the Northwest, the Plains, and the Southeast and Northeast dressed in ways that best suited their climates and the materials they had.
Native Americans who lived in the Southeast had a very warm location. They had dense forests, which gave them access to lots of animals for their meat and skin. Due to the warm weather, they dressed as little as possible. They used thin animal skin and grass to sew their clothes. They had wood to make beads and tools like weapons for hunts.
The Plains Indians hunted buffalo to wear their leather. They used bows and arrows and spears, and they rode on horses to chase the buffaloes. They put on more leather in the winter.
Wearing a lot of clothes because it is cold. They probably made weapons to kill animals to get food and clothes.
There were many different Native American tribes throughout the Americas before Europeans came to the Western Hemisphere, and they all used the resources they had to make clothing that was unique to their people. The Northeast, Central, Southeast, and Northwest Indians dress in different amounts according to the weather they lived in. We learned that all of the Indians wore leather and feathers, and their dress went from heavy dresses with blankets to loincloths.